Hello, beautiful souls. My name is Alfred. I'm a mystic. I am an artist. I'm magic. And I'm so excited to talk about this full card. So, as I said, I'm an artist and I am right now in the process of creating my own tarot deck. This is the full, and of course, I will also use the traditional white card so we can both just play with it. Let's play with it. So, 10 minutes. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Big challenge. So I'll take 10 minutes for each card. Get ready. A lot of videos to make. The Fool. For me, the main word for the Fool is unknown force, because this is that womb. Yeah, this is that part that is not visible, that is not fully aware yet. If I will, for example, give you a drink, I'll be like, hey, girl, wanna get a drink? Hey, wanna just go and have some fun? And you don't see what I pour into the cup, but when I bring it to you, I'll be like, hey, this is your drink, enjoy. The Fool is that energy that will be curious. What's inside? What did you give me? Is it because it can be poison? What if I just gave you poison? What if I want to kill? I'm not gonna kill you, but this is a risk. Yeah, to be a fool, you step into that journey. That's why we can see on this card he is on a cliff and he doesn't look like he's gonna fall. He's gonna kill himself. But no, there is always an infinite amount of opportunities, possibilities, skills to learn, humans to interact. So the Fool is this just freedom. Yeah? And I love to use the word unknown force because, again, you don't know if it's medicine in a cup or if it's something deadly. So this, even the shape, yeah, represents womb. Number one, the magician, the next one, is a leader, is a newborn baby. But the Fool is that force that is not still in the physical. Even though the card looks that he is in a physical, but he's such a spiritual identity. This is a wise creature. Yeah, I can also say that in this, the one I drew, 3 stars that are Orion's belt. Orion's belt represents teachers. These are people, these are star beings, ancient souls who come to this planet to heal, to inspire, to teach people. So the Fool for me is really that energy of a student, but also a teacher. You can learn from the Fool. So when we enter into this physical, yeah, we are not fully aware of the risks we are taking, because what is a risk? Yeah, we have to make it anyway because I'm here on a mission. He's here he's ready to be spontaneous and just attract the same energy, because if you embody unknown source, you embody infinite opportunities. So that's the playfulness. This is, in a way, a little child that just came here and so curious what's happening. I love that Fool within me. I took quite a journey in my life to fully accept the foolishness within, the joker, the trickster, the mischievous Loki. We all have them, yeah, the inner fox, let's say, the inner fool. And the beauty of it, you learn, yeah, this is the beginning, this is game in, we just enter the game. Game on is when we are the magician. We're like, okay, we have everything, this is the next card. But now it's game in, yeah, we are original in our own essence. This is one of a kind creature, yeah? Oh, one of a kind. This is the Fool. This is innocence. This is vulnerability again. But you know that it's a blessing to take a risk. Because yes, it's scary. Yes, it's intense. This is intense. The Fool is quite magical creature. The deck is going to be called Androgynous Tarot. And I picked 3 main colors, red, black, and white, which are the darkness, the light, and the earth, because this deck will be quite alien, but also so grounded. I'm still figuring out because when I draw this deck, this is from my memory. I don't feel like I just invent this stuff, yeah? Because when I just scroll through the art book, I know all of them. I experienced that, and I'm still trying to figure out if this is a type of consciousness from the past, ancient, prehistoric, or this is our future when we return to nature again. I'm having the best life recently, just drawing every day. It's existential, it's inspiring, it's reawakening the power within. So the Fool is the reawakening because it starts from that. Another word I want to mention is flexible shape. When you embody the Fool, when you step into this new unknown journey, you start to play with your identity, you start to play with your outfits, your full embodiment, you start to interact with different people you've never met in your life. So the foolish path is literally to face everything, face all this infinity, yeah, everything that is around us. It's a game. Life is a joke. This is another phrase we can mention. Life is a joke. I actually have a tattoo on my leg. This was my first ever tattoo that I did 4 years ago. Yeah, myself. I just got tattoo machine from an ink from Amazon, and I tattooed "Life is a joke" with a joker, and its tongue is out because you play with it. Yeah, you learn to play because if, especially many of people are living in a survival mode, Fool is the healer. Because survival mode is when you are stuck and you are repressed, you are shrinking. The Fool is not able to do that. The Fool knows that there is infinite, again, opportunities. So it's not the type of consciousness that thinks, oh, I'm blocked. This is not blocked, this is reawakening, this is the fountain of life, this is life itself. This is a sacred action of being curious, of feeling, of experiencing. Guys, this card is powerful. This card is powerful. I also draw a spiral on his head because yeah, the consciousness, it's spiral movement, it's the energy of life, death and resurrection. So this wise Fool is here to do it. He's here to just go for it, face it, inspire yourself, inspire others. This is a journey of discovery, of memory. And also, if you just take this card and divide into two halves, you can see how I reflected this idea, because left is the dark and right is the sun. It's the light, there is the flower, and there is the stars, there is the moon. There is that feminine embodiment, masculine embodiment, and of course the balance, the harmony, androgynous divine union. The universe is a Fool. It's a universal beginning to be a student of life. And that's so beautiful that later, when we collect all this knowledge, when the Fool is not a Fool anymore, but a next step, an evolution of that Fool. What is that? You tell me, who is that creature then? It's the spirit and the soul that came here for a mission. Because we can say that, oh, it's just a foolish behavior, but as we know, we learn from our foolishness. Foolishness? Fullness? Fullness, that's another word. You're full, you don't lack anything. You're abundant in the source. Another word, energy. Energy is the Fool. That's beautiful. We have 42 seconds. I'm doing so great, actually. I'm being very strategic in a way. Guys, this is my first video, so like this video, support me, share it with people who are curious, who are the Fool, who are excited about travel, about new journey, about just playing the game. Hey! Nice. Love you so much. I'll see you in the day 2. Love.